All right, we have this amazing 3-piece luggage cover set. As you can see, I've got one of them on the suitcase already, 2 more of them right here. I'm gonna set these 2 off to the side, but they're different sizes. So you got 20-inch, 24-inch, 28-inch, and make sure you just check the details to see exactly what that entails and what the sizing exactly is. But 3 different sizings. This fits perfect for this suitcase. As you can see, the wheels, it still wheels around, made of a very high quality material. Waterproof, which is my favorite part about the cover. It's waterproof. That way, if it rains or anything like that, keeps it nice and protected. Has a nice little opening here for the handle, as well as the handle here. And then you've also got on, there's two different styles. One is the right opening for the handle on the right side. The other, if you get the other one, it would be the left opening, and it would be the other side. So depending on which side of the suitcase your handle is on, make sure you order the right one. But I think these are it's just extremely high quality. Right here you can see it Velcros in place at the bottom, and it just stays in place, and you're ready to go. Highly recommend.